fifth grade. I hope everyone is doing really well today. I want to take time in this video to go over with you your grammar pages that were due just the other day. Now, I'm not going over the grammar pages so that you can follow along and fill in the answers and not do any of it yourself. I want you to watch these videos and correct the work that you've already done, okay? Now, if you're struggling and you find that you missed a lot of answers, then go back and watch the educational videos that I provided for you. And if you're still having trouble, then please email me and I will try my very best to help you. So what I want to look at is I want page 81 and 82, which you already submitted by email. And so I just want to go over the answers with you to make sure that you have them right, because it was really hard by email for me to correct them and give them back to you. So we're talking about action and linking verbs, okay? And you're talking about the fact that linking verbs link the subject of the sentence to an adjective or a noun on the other side, and it connects them together. And that's why we call them linking verbs, because they link the words together. All right, so in your guided practice on page 81, it asks you to find the simple subject want, which is just one word. It's going to be a noun. Unless it's a proper noun, then maybe there might be 2 or 3 words if it's a name of a person or a place. And then to underline each verb twice and then draw an arrow from the subject to the predicate noun that it is linking to. Okay, so number 1, the simple subject is fans. So you're going to underline fans once. And then the linking verb is appear. So you're going to underline appear twice. And then you're drawing an arrow. Appear is connecting fans to nervous. So you should have an arrow from fans to nervous. Number 2, the simple subject was referee. Underline that once. The verb is blew. You underline that twice. Now this is an action verb. Blowing a whistle is an action. So you don't have to draw any arrows. Okay? Number 3, your simple subject is coach, so you're going to underline that once. Then your verb is. So you're underlining that twice. Is a linking verb, and it is linking coach to uncle. So you should have an arrow from coach to uncle. Number 4, our subject is Justin. Underline that once. Your verb is shot. You're going to underline that twice. Now, the verb shot is an action verb, so it is not linking anything to anything, so you do not have any arrows in that sentence. Number 5, your subject is team, so you're going to underline the word team once. Then your verb is was, underline that twice. Was is a linking verb, so you are going to draw a line from team to the word that is linked, which is victorious. Victorious and team are being connected and linked together with the verb was. Okay, so that's page 81. So on page 82, then you were doing more of the same sort of thing. In number 1, hockey is a popular sport. Our subject is hockey. Underline that once. Is, underline that twice. That's our verb. It's a linker. It's linking hockey to sport. Hockey and sport should be connected with an arrow. Then number 2, players is our subject. Underline that once. Are is our verb. Underline that twice. Are doesn't show any action. It's a linker. So it's linking players to what? What are the players? Skaters. So you should have an arrow from players to skaters. Number 3, we is our subject. Underline that once. Watch is our verb. We underline that twice. And watching is an action. It's an action verb. So you're not drawing any arrows. Okay, that was an action verb. Number 4, my brother plays hockey on our neighborhood team. Brother is the subject. Underline that once. Plays is the verb. Underline that twice. And playing is an action. It's an action verb, so you don't draw any arrows. Number 5, the rink feels cold to the fans. Rink is our subject. Underline that once. Feels is our verb. Underline that twice. And in this case, feels is a linker. It is linking the rink to how it feels, which is cold. So you should have an arrow from rink to cold. Number 6, the puck sailed into the goal cage. Puck is the subject. Underline that once. Sailed is your verb, so underline that twice. And sailing is an action, so you didn't have to draw any arrows for that one. Now, on 7, it gives you your sentence line. You should have a straight up and down line because it is each team has 6 players, team and then has. Okay? Number 7, the chocolate smells delicious. We have chocolate, we have a straight up and down line that goes all the way through, smells. Then you're going to have your slanty line and have delicious. Okay? So chocolate smells delicious. Number 9, you're going to have foul and a straight up and down line and causes. I think I might show you guys this page here in a minute so that you can see this part and how that they did the diagrams, because I would have done it on the board if I had my board. Okay. 10, blazers is our subject. Were is the verb, and it's linking blazers to champions. So you're going to have blazers, a straight up and down line, were, and then you have a slanty line, champions. So let me see if I can show this to you guys. This is how they should look. Now I think that might be backwards. Hopefully you can read that, or you can at least get an idea of what your sentences should look like, okay? And then the apply and write, 3 sentences about a sport. Yes, you always have to do the apply and write. Write me good sentences, okay? All right. Now, I think I got it so the comments are turned on, so you can ask me questions if you need to. And be sure to like this video, okay, so that it can, it's kind of like giving me a little high five. All right. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.